guys, welcome back to my channel and today we're gonna play some Minecraft. As you can see, I got iron and basically everything I need, so we're gonna go up there and get some tools, and the video is gonna end and if we find diamonds, which I'm sure we will at this rate. Now let me just quick. We can, yeah, I guess. Let's see. Okay, I need a more coal, so wait, let me get tools. Okay, I need sticks, lots of them. Yeah. Okay, I got 4 sticks. Let's go, boys. Now let's create a pickaxe and a sword to keep ourselves safe. Yeah, so we create a shield too, again to keep ourselves safe. Basically, that's everything we need. Now let me just get it in. This is just fine now. Whee! Oh wait, mine cool. See, sorry guys. Okay. Okay, again sorry guys. Now we just mine all the coal. Like with the remaining coal pieces, we'll just make torches. Oh my god, how hard! Yay! Oops. Oh wait. So yeah. And I'm just gonna get more wood. I'm gonna use the stick so that I don't waste I forgot the name, like I don't waste the health, I don't know what's the name of the pickaxe. So yay! Inventory. So then like I'm gonna block the what do you call, the outer part of the cave, so that no mobs come in. No, make it here. Surface up. Good. Okay. I think this is enough. Yes. It's already dark. Good that I got prepared. Oh no. Oh. Oh, let me get. I'm blocking it fully, so like no archers. No skeletons coming. Sorry. Okay, waste. Yes. What? Wood. 1 minute, guys. Torches, yes. 4 torches, I guess that's okay. I have the iron. Oh wait, the crafting table. That's good. Which cave should we go? Because there's light and lava. Oh, okay, it's not lava. You have to be careful. I heard a spider in the other. I think I heard the spider in the other cave. No. Guys, please no. There's no more. I'm sure I didn't make this peaceful mode. We'll just put some torches here. And voila, we got some iron. Oh wait, I forgot to take the furnace. Why? Oops. We'll make some armor with this. There was another piece of armor. Just here, yeah. Oh wait, no. Why? I'm bad in Minecraft, I guess. That's why. Yay! Got some. Thanks for thanks for what you call giving me the stone. I guess I'll go here. I'll go where there is light, cause I don't want to waste my torches. So let's just pick this up. Yes. I think. Oh, more iron. I saw somebody. Yeah. No. I know I saw somebody. I don't know who I saw. Like, there is a person going there. Don't know who, but then okay, fine. So, what do you guys think of me playing Minecraft? Oh, there's nothing? Oh, okay. Sorry, guys, forgot. Now, where's the furnace? Where in the world is furnaces? Inventory. Furnace. Where? Oh, okay. Oh, wait. I'm so bad. I had this. Sorry for the noise. Oh my good. Now we'll create a furnace. We definitely don't want that. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, right click. Now we'll put the iron, coal, boys. Take this coal. Oh wait, there's more iron. Okay. We're getting pretty lucky. Yay! Oopsie. Oh my god, so much iron, boys and girls. Oops. Is there any more? Oh wait, more iron. Wow, so much iron. And more coal. We'll take that later. Mine, boys, mine. More. Thanks, guys. Oh my god, I have so much iron. Chest plate, boys. Then let's make boots. And then with the other iron, we can get ourselves ready. So for now, okay, boys, we are lucky. We are lucky. We're lucky, boys. We are lucky, 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 lucky. Sorry for saying so much times. Yay! Oh my god! Wait. Okay, I thought that was a mob. I don't know why I'm so blind. Yay! More iron. Yes, it's good. Okay, I know it's good. Now let's see if there's diamond. No diamond, sorry. And so I'm gonna end the episode after we go to the nether. I don't know what's called, ender world, I guess, and defeat the ender dragon. More. Can we create a chest? Okay, we can. Oh my god, we're so heavily loaded. No, inventory. I was gonna press escape. They're loaded. They're loaded. See me. Yay. No, I don't want to turn sticky keys. Don't know what's that. Come on, come on. How much pieces of what do you call? We need 2 more, okay. After 2 more, what can we make with iron basically? Shovel, okay. We can make, nope, nothing else with iron? A bow, we don't have anything for a bow, no. We can take no, we don't have sticks. Oh my god. No. Compass? Guess that's good. For good reasons. Now, wait. A bucket! We need buckets, of course. Let's take the leggings. And the bucket costs, 3. Shears, no. The bucket costs, the bucket is 3, I forgot the name. 3 iron, 3 iron. Now we are fully loaded, boys, fully. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, boys. Oh, wait. Okay, 1 minute. We have only 1. Can we make something else? Iron, no. Shears? No. 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 What's this? Yeah, we just keep it. Thanks for the coal. Now we are gonna continue our journey. Now where should we go? Here. I'll go there. Oh wait, more iron. OMG. I think, yeah, it was only 1. Wait, what is this? Yeah, also. Wait, what? Okay. Okay, fine. Is that lava? Is it lava? No, wait, it's torch. I bet it's torch. Oh, it's lava. Come on, come on. Let's see. Alright. So somebody. Okay, you don't wanna kill me? Yeah. It. Now let's go to this. Let's see if there's diamond. Come on, Please tell me there's diamond.